How to update location on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you on how you can update location on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to update location on iPhone, what you want to do is first go ahead and open up settings. Once you open up settings, you'll get interface somewhat like this. Tap on your ID or name at the top. Now here you'll be headed to this page. On this page, tap media and purchases option. Then here you tap on view account option. Once you tap on view account, you want to tap the country and region option. Here it will ask you for face ID, so make sure to go through the face verification. Once you open it up, the view account option, tap on country or region, then tap change country or region. Once you do so, select your new country and region and review the terms and conditions, and you're good to go. This is how you can change your country or change your region in iPhone, or change your location in iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.